We got ourselves an F350 Power Stroke. Hello everybody and welcome back to another day at the garage. So we have a new project in the garage now. We've been kind of working on getting this here for a while now, for a few months anyway. There's a bit of scheduling issues with the person who I was getting it from, and she was traveling a lot and whatnot. But anyway, what we have is well, here, let me just show you here. We got ourselves an F350 Power Stroke. It's 2003, I believe, so the first year that they put the 6.0 in it. It's got some issues. It's got a few issues. This is going to be a restoration while using it kind of project. So we have some things we have to do now before we can use it, but once we get those things done, the rest of it's going to be a slowly restoration kind of project. So it's got body work that needs to be done, as you can see down here. Doors are starting to rot out at the bottom, and then it's got your typical rockers are starting to go there, and the back of the rockers are the worst. It was used as a snow plow. It came with the snow plow, but I took it off and I'm going to sell it, and then I'm just going to give her the money back for the snow plow, because part of the deal was that I didn't want the snow plow. So yeah, that's the plan. There's the rockers there again on this side. One of the other problems it has is these back doors don't open. It's this extended cab. Again, common problem with these. I've got the parts to fix that. It needs these struts here are not working. As you can see, I'm pulling one side up with vice grips. I don't recommend this as a full-time fix, but it does work in a pinch, no pun intended. It's got some oil leaks that we got to figure out where they're coming from, deal with those. And then it's just got the regular mods that we're going to do to it. We're going to do the blue spring upgrade on it if it hasn't been done yet already. Probably going to get the coolant filter and a bunch of other different things. That also needs some body work underneath. The floor is starting to get a little bad. Minor things, like for some reason sorry about the lighting, the cover for the fuse box won't go on. I think it's because of the little ADLA fuse they have there for the plow, I think it is. Yeah, I just need some minor things. The heated seats don't work. We got to figure that out. I'm not sure about the heated mirrors. It hasn't been frosty enough yet in the morning for that to be tested. Yeah, just a bunch of little things. Center console's got to be fixed. Some lighting issues, some wiring stuff. But yeah, it's going to be a fun project. And we're going to take you guys along for the whole thing. Any upgrades we do, we'll bring you along for that, and the repairs and everything else. And I think the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to fix these hood struts so that I can work under here and not feel like my head's going to get crushed. Because these things, like I say, work temporarily, but they don't work really well. As you can see, there's a little dent in the hood right about there. I don't know if you're catching on camera, but that's from when I was working on it one day where we picked it up from just to get it running. I had the vice grips on here like this, and I slammed this door, and the hood came crashing down and landed on the vice grips. So, like I say, it's a temporary fix, but it's not a permanent fix, and it's not a safe fix. So, we're going to fix these first before anything else.